Let's get started with its genuine and brute review. So this is the facial skin lightening facial kit, 7-step facial kit. First one which I like the most is the products that are made from 100% natural extracts. So इसके जो इसके formulation है, that is really penetrate होती है deep into the skin, as you can see in my entire video, like how मतलब कुछ भी oily और over the top नहीं है. Gel, my most favorite product from all the like steps is this hydrating gel. I so love that product. And second one is the toner. So you can see how just a little amount of toner give me right away the instant glow which my face needs. And third one is it's the ISO certified है, so यहाँ पे सारे quality products हैं. So इसके दो main reasons हैं कि अभी जैसे summers होने वाले हैं, तो summers में everyone is gonna suffer from tan and oily skin and whatnot. So this is a thing you need to acquire before the actual summer starts, and right away follow their Instagram page, which is Keva Industries. And this is not something this brand only provides us beauty products. It also has those supplements for women, also home care products, your face wash, soaps and whatnot, and the collection is amazing. And moreover, what I feel is कि it's 100% authentic and natural, so that made me work with this company more. So that was all about this facial kits. Hope you guys liked it, and do follow Keva Industries right away on. This is so mild, and main thing is this, it is made up of 100% natural extracts. So this is basically the skin lightening treatment. So the people who have blemishes over here and who go for work and face the pollution every day, get in the sun, so I will recommend those clients to experience to just try the skin lightening facial kit. That will work a wonder for you. And yes, perfect. So next step is the exfoliating scrub. So this scrub looks like. So I have a little sensitive skin, so I will take very least amount of scrub because it has these granules in it. So already my skin is feeling so soft after using this. So this is something we use for extracting the blackheads and whiteheads from the skin to avoid that transfer. So guys, don't confuse this with the जो market में मिलते हैं. This is the professional. That's why it's working something like this. Market में मिलती हैं China made copies and all that. So you need to be very careful with that. Let's see, I have a whitehead over here. Oops, if that can remove that. Wow, you guys can see how a little scrub goes a long way. Beautiful. Don't worry, ये redness temporary है. It will be soon gone. After that, I'm gonna be applying massage cream. As again, I have combination, and so this is the massage cream I'm taking, and I have a combination skin, oily more side, so I'll take a little bit of massage cream. also have something great. It is hydrating gel. So for persons who have sensitive skin, oily skin type, your combination even, so they can use less amount of massage cream and can use. So this is the like a positive point of this facial kit, that it has the hydrating gel. So this is easy for 50% of people. So yeah, wow, it's so refreshing. It's just looking like a jelly right over here. So beautiful. Wow, can you guys see? Amazing. I'm just loving this formula so far. So this is the sixth step in the facial kit, which is its pack. Ingredients in the pack are orange peel, vitamin E extract, calendula oil, aloe vera extract, and clay. So clay is really good for oily to combination skin people. So yeah, this is really great. So just taking it with my pack brush and applying in the upward strokes like this. Wow. Ingredients in this kit are the orange peel, vitamin E. So vitamin E is something which gives strength to our skin cells to build up and everything. So glycerin, that's why it's so smooth and everything. And kaolin clay. So clay is a really important factor which gives which tightens your pores and gives a really cooling sensation to our skin, and good for oily to combination skin. Vitamin E. So this has really something interesting ingredients. So see you after 5 to 10 minutes. So I just removed my clay pack mask, and here is it. You can see how my nose is shining right over here, and the products are so lightweight. I barely can feel something on my skin. So last is the seventh step, is this Insta Glow toner. So iska toner is something in the form of gel, which is really great. Otherwise जो toners होते हैं, they are like wow, the texture, the formulation is so amazing. So बाकी जो toners होते हैं, they are in the liquid form, and this is something more a jelly like, which is wow, so refreshing and lightweight formula.